welcome to this YouTube journey where we explore new frontiers and unlock the mysteries of the IT universe. Stay tuned, and may the Force guide us through this epic adventure. Our video today is about the creation of any application using Perplexity and Bolt IA. In this video, we'll explore how we can do that. Before we dive in, would you like to add a call to action like subscribe for more? Let's get started. The first IA tool is Perplexity. Perplexity AI is an advanced AI-powered search and question answering platform designed to provide accurate, concise, and contextually relevant information. It integrates natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to process queries and deliver human-like responses. Here's a brief overview. Let's continue with capabilities. Advanced natural language processing, comprehensive knowledge across multiple domains, ability to understand and respond to complex queries, multilingual communication, adaptive and context-aware responses. Now, a few technical specifications about Perplexity. Based on large language model technology, trained on extensive diverse datasets, continuously updated knowledge base, emphasis on accuracy and reliability. Key objectives: provide precise and informative answers, assist users in understanding complex topics, offer actionable and practical insights, maintain ethical and professional communication standards. Operational principles, because always strive for accuracy, clarity, helpfulness, and objectivity. And finally, communication style is professional, engaging, adaptive to users' needs, and respectful and constructive. Ideal for students, researchers, content creators, and professionals looking for quick and reliable answers or insights. Perplexity AI is especially popular for those seeking an alternative to traditional search engines with a focus on clarity and precision. The second AI tool is Bolt. Bolt AI is an innovative AI-powered web development tool that allows users to create full-stack web applications quickly and efficiently. 1. Here are the key features of Bolt AI. 1. Low-code platform. Developers can create complete web applications without writing extensive code. 2. AI code generation. Users can input text prompts to generate functional application codebases. 3. Visual interface. It offers a drag-and-drop component library for easy website and web application creation. 4. Framework support. Bolt AI supports popular frameworks like Astro, Vite, Next.js, Svelte, Vue, and Remix. 5. Package integration. Users can install NPM packages and configure backends. 6. Deployment options. The platform simplifies deployment with integrated support for services like Netlify. 7. Error detection. An AI assistant monitors for errors and suggests or implements fixes. Bolt AI is particularly useful for rapid prototyping, experimentation with new technologies, and creating demos or small projects quickly too. It's designed to streamline the web development process and make it more accessible to developers of various skill levels. Now, let's present a demonstration on how to use Perplexity and Bolt to create an application. In conclusion, AI is set to play a pivotal role in the future of software development. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content like this. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.